Hello, my name is Bill, and today we're going to solve the fourth question of the 2025 CCC Junior Contest. It is called Sunny Days. There is a large amount of historical weather data, and the data is incorrect for exactly one day, but you don't know which day it is. So your job is to determine the maximum possible number of consecutive days with sunshine. So first, let's look at the two special cases. The first special case is when every day has precipitation. Then the max amount of sunny days is 1. The second case is when every single day is a sunny day. But since there is one error, the max number of sunny days is just the number of days minus 1. So now let's look at what the program does with normal cases. The first step is to count consecutive days of the same weather into segments. The first segment contains only one day of precipitation, so we write 1 in it. The second segment is just only one sunny day, so we also write 1. Same with the third segment. And the fourth segment has 2 sunny days in a row, so we write 2 in here. The next segment has 2 days of precipitation, so we write 2. And finally, in the last segment, we write 1 once more. Now we determine the starting index in segments based on the first day. If the first day is sunny, we start at 0. And if it's a day with precipitation, then we start at 1. So then we always start on the sunny segment. So in this case, because the first day has precipitation, then we start at the second segment, which has an index of 1. This means every other segment starting from this one will be a sunny segment. And these segments correspond with these days. So now we iterate through all sunny segments. But first, we set max sunny to 0. We start at 1 because the first segment is a segment with precipitation. So now we iterate the first sunny segment. We check if I plus 2 is smaller than the number of segments, and if yes, we also check if segment I plus 1 is 1. And because it is, we set current to the current segment plus the 2 segments in front of it. So current is now 4. So we make max sunny the max of max sunny and current, which is 4. Now, to skip to the next sunny segment, we simply add 2 to I, which now is 3. So now we check again. But since segment I plus 1 is 2 and not 1, we simply set current to the current segment plus 1, which is 3. So the max sunny still stays at 4. We skip to the final sunny segment. We can only set current to the current segment plus 1, which is 2. So max sunny still stays at 4. Here is the Python version of the code. As you can see, the code works without a problem. So this is the C++ version of the code. As you can see, the C++ version also works. Thank you for watching.